Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Dogecoin video. Now, what we're looking at here with Dogecoin is that Dogecoin is within this triangular pattern, and this could easily be a very bullish triangular pattern. Now, I know a lot of people are getting impatient with Dogecoin, the people that are newer into the whole crypto market. And I understand that if you're new into crypto, because it doesn't always go up and it doesn't always go down. It goes sideways. It does whatever it wants. It's very volatile. And hopefully people are starting to understand that more than new people that are jumping in. So what we have here within this triangular pattern, we're just looking at Dogecoin from a very brief moment, really. I mean, these are only subwaves that we're counting here. These are not even full waves, full wave impulses that we would call them. These are just subwaves that are all part of a much larger wave that we can expect in the future. So looking at things right now, we're just looking at Dogecoin over a period really of 8 days that we have here. And we have our waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're waiting on that fifth wave to really take off. Even though that we're seeing that price come down right now, that still doesn't really count as a fifth wave unless if it was to fall below where our fourth wave was. So there's a whole system to this. But what we're looking at here is we're looking at this being a little bit different than what we were originally thinking it was, since it has consolidated within this triangular pattern. Now we can call it all part of a possible ABCDE pattern. And that could be something that is good if it does lead into a breakout to the upside. So if we were to look at this as this being our A wave, this being our B wave, this being our C wave, this being our D wave, and this being our E wave, then usually when you have an E wave that ends on the bottom, the next move is to the upside. And that's usually the breakout moment that you're going to expect. So if we were to see this and then go up and break out from here, then there's that possibility that we could be seeing that happen here very soon. Now, no guarantees that that's going to be how things are going to be working. But within these A, B, C, D, E triangular patterns, when that E wave is complete on the bottom, then there's that possibility that you can see this, what we call an ascending wedge, break out to the upside, and that would be where our fifth wave would come in. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually turn this on over to the 15-minute chart. So we're going to really be looking at things with a lot of detail here. So really, it's just all about where are these candlesticks going to be going from here? Are we going to be seeing the direction of this pattern change here and have a move to the upside? So that's what it's all about right now. If this is going to continue to consolidate and then start trending to the upside, and then we can see this breakout happen as we lead into this next trend line. So here in the short term, it's really all about seeing Doge work its way up to these next Fibonacci levels. Doge needs to go to a price of around 12 cents, and hopefully at that time we'll be able to break through this Fibonacci level and possibly even see a larger candlestick as we do work our way through it, like we've seen Doge do in the past, and then from there work our way up to the next Fibonacci level and hopefully the end of the triangular pattern, break through that. And if we can see Doge go to a price around 13.5 cents, have more confirmation, because at that point, if we see it go to 13.5 cents, that's our 50% Fibonacci level. That's between our wave 3 and our wave 2. So if we can go halfway between that price movement, then at that time, we can have some better confirmation. So we just need to see Doge start working its way up to that 50% line. And then we'll hopefully see some larger price movements as we see that happen, just like we've seen when we were going in within our wave 3, also our wave B. You can see how that had played out before in the past. So let's cross our fingers with that one. Hopefully this all does play out just right. Now, the price that Doge needs to go to complete this wave 5, that is going to be a price that's just above 16 cents. So I'm expecting Doge to go between 16 and 20 cents within this wave 5. And what would be really awesome if we can just meet somewhere in the middle there and see Doge go to the price of 18 cents. Now, after that point, I do expect to see some selling off, but keep in mind this is all just subwaves. That's all part of a much larger wave impulse. There's plenty for Doge to retrace. I mean, if we look back at Doge from where it was at its all-time high, Doge at that time was at a price that was above 73 cents, somewhere around like 74 cents. So it's come a long way down, and it has a whole lot to retrace. So we're just in that process of starting this all out right now. So anyways, I'll keep you guys updated on what does happen here with Doge, and I'll keep monitoring and keep you guys updated for now every single day. And I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every day as well, and many other altcoins. So I'm going to go ahead and jump on the next video. Thank you for watching and listening. See you in the next one.